Alright guys, sorry I ain't got much room here, so sorry my camera's all focused in real close, but this is how the phone does. Anyhow, this is going to be part one of the Craftsman 4-wheel drive build. Right now I'm fixing to get this thing torn down, so without further ado, let's get into it. Y'all, I'm back. I had to go change my shirt. You know how it is, y'all. You get all excited wanting to work on your stuff and forget all about you being in y'all fancy clothes, you know, your sophisticated clothes and whatnot. So I had to change my shirt. But yeah, let's move on. Let's try to get this motor off of here. And there we have the front end out.
I dedicate this to the ones that held it down. The good and the bad, y'all ain't never let me down. Your support and your love, that's what